Today, I'm going to share you the 5 components for Noto in every iaido. As per my previous video, different schools have their own unique Noto style. I come from the Muso Shinden Ryu style. So I will break down the Noto based on that one. Let's see what is the secret to every iai Noto. For iai sete kata, there is 3 basic ways to Noto. And they are linked to the types of chiburi that comes before it. Let's break it down. Place your left palm on the side of the obi by the hips. Move up and grab the saya's koiguchi. Half of the middle finger to wrap on the mouth of the scabbard. Close your thumb and index finger like a cop's mouth. Last 3 fingers wrap similarly like tenouchi to grip to your sword. Wrap the same with the saya. You must feel comfortable to control the scabbard in any angle. Sword and saya move simultaneously to meet in the center. Different Noto types and schools may vary in the position where they meet. Avoid tightening your sword grip when doing the Noto. It only makes it difficult to return to the sword. Relax your grip. And pull your sword to the center, slightly above the belt. My dojo encourages beginners of sete should practice to meet the point in the center. The back of the blade should rest on the koiguchi's mouth. This allows you to feel your sword during the Noto. When meet, push the sword forward and pull the sayabiki back together. Slide the blade forward and feel it with your left hand. You should feel the sword tip falls into the saya's mouth. We must make sure it is parallel or we risk busting the saya from the mouth. Align and cup the tip of the saya. Give 3 seconds of pressure during your last third of sheathing. This to leave an impression of zanshin, ready to strike again. Once you finish Noto, always lock the blade with the thumb. This is for safety reasons. Your sword could fall off when you bow. Other people can also steal your weapon and use it against you, hypothetically speaking. If it's locked, then you can still keep your sword tightened. Another safety to keep in mind is our wardrobe. When the outfit or the belts are not put on properly, it can lead to wardrobe accidents. This could potentially look very silly and also very dangerous. Busting your saya and limits your movement is also another problem. It is dangerous even when making this video. Here's a bonus tip on how to do Noto. This is just my point of view, but maybe some schools actually encourages this, but I see some people extend their elbow too far out during Noto. To me, this leaves your elbow open for an attack. Unless it is on purpose to invite an attack, so to follow up with a counter. But to me, in terms of safety, I think it makes more sense to be subtle and compact, and not to show any signs of opening. This also comes in line on how our palms prepare for nukisuke, the draw cut. Palm draws from below and sheath back in the same palm position. From what I know, MSR does not extend elbow out like this. We naturally twist our elbow down in a natural resting position. What do you guys think? Please leave a comment below. So let's recap what we've just learned. The koiguchi grip, mune and the saya to meet in the center, push and pull, slide in, and remain zanshin. Lock your blade. And you have completed your Noto. Does your ryuhas share similar points to how we do Noto? Or perhaps your schools may have something unique I might have missed. Please do leave a comment if you do. And like and subscribe. Give the bell a ding for more weekly contents. Meanwhile, find out more secrets of the idol. Thank you very much, and see you in the next one.